Welcome to Any Karbi Life, the mirror of society. My name is Emmanuel Kamsa from Commerce Stream, class 12.
My name is Kalyani Bepi and I study in class 12 science. We welcome you to Kiri Senior Secondary School, Diphu, located at Karbi near Diphu Medical College.
So first of all, we would like to welcome you to Kiri Activities Fair 2023. We have live experiment, science exhibition, VAR demonstration, drama play and cultural event. So we would like to take you all to our today's event. So this is our building. We have our principal room and receptions room, and we have our program upstairs. So we're gonna take you upstairs right now. So finally we are here. We would be integrating today's event after a short while. So we have here science exhibitions on that side and arts exhibitions and commerce exhibitions on this side. So after a short while we'll be cutting the ribbons and integrate today's event. So now I would like to take you all to arts and commerce exhibition room, which is that way. So this is the first stall we have. We have our commerce room and also arts included, which is English. We have different subject here. We have subject on accountancy. We have subject on business studies, and we have subject on finance as well. And here we have economics, history, and last but not the least, English. So first of all, I would like to ask some questions to the English in charge. So who is in charge of the Harbamon, right? Yeah. So what is your name?
My name is Harbamon Kathar.
So what is the topic of today's exhibitions?
Today the topic of our English is tree of knowledge.
So can you explain a short while of like a short explanations? Can you give us a short explanations about your of your exhibitions?
Our topic is tree of knowledge, and this tree of knowledge came from a book of Genesis. Yes.
Would you like to explain it more?
And we have we have pasted in like quotations and some famous line. Yeah.
So up next we have here business. So here I'm the in charge of this project. So I would like to give a short explanation on here as well. So we have our topic is mode of distribution. Mode of distributions. So basically, mode of distributions are the process which include, like for example, from manufacturer to the outlet and the outlet to the consumer. So first we have manufacturer. We have this the place where all the goods are made from raw material. For example, we have here fruity. So here is where the product fruity is made, and then later on it will be sent to the wholesaler, and the wholesaler will sell those products to the retailer. So basically the retailer will take the product from the wholesaler in bulk. For example, we have fruity here, so the retailer will take the product fruity in bulk, and then the retailer will be selling it to the consumer. Consumer are basically customers, which is us. So the ones, as you can see here, the consumers, this as you can see in the picture, so these are the people who are the customers who are buying the product, the fruity, and they are enjoying the fruity. So yeah, so this is the mode of distributions from our side. So here we have e-commerce and mode of online payment. So I would like to ask the team leader here, over here, what is your name?
My name is Samiti, and as we all are familiar with e-commerce and online payment, I mean like mode of online payment. So e-commerce, it actually means that all the companies and individuals, they group they sell and buy goods and services over the internet. And we have many varieties of e-commerce. It is mentioned as B2B, B2C, C2C, C2B, B2A, and C2A. And now I would like her to tell what B2B means.
B2B means business to business. It is a transaction between business, such involving like a wholesaler and a manufacturer and a wholesaler, or a wholesaler or a retailer. One example of B2B is like Amazon. And B2C.
My topic is about B2B2 is it means it with business to administration or business to governments. It is interconnecting with business life. It is between governments and citizens. So in this topic which interconnecting with all this too, if in any project if the business has income more profit about all this, then they need to give income tax to all this too, and all this tax they will invest into like road building and construction in the hospital, and all that will build on it. And about this now is this about C2A means consumers to governments or consumer to administration. Is this nowadays everything is interconnecting like with government. So in this that they will connecting this like we need to what we make to say like PAN card, Aadhaar card, and all through online. So all these are interconnecting with governments, and all this this useful for us. So this government help the citizens for like doing all this through online. So
Thank you, finance students. We also have our ex seniors. So I would like more seniors. Kiri. So I would like to ask some questions to our senior Kiri. Kiri, so how do you feel coming to today's exhibition?
Well, it's quite exciting because we haven't got all of these exhibitions when we were in this college, but seeing that the college has improved a lot and many activities have been given, which will really help the extracurricular activities of the students. So yeah, it's quite good.
So do you think it's a big opportunity for the students, your juniors here?
Yeah. It's a really big opportunity because they are getting a lot of knowledge. Plus, it's not just like bookish knowledge. They are getting extracurricular, like extra knowledge. So yeah, you know.
Thank you. So up next we have our economics students here. I would like to ask the team leader about their exhibition.
I'm the team leader of this sections. The topic we got is an evolution of money. So here we have the three sections: the barter system, the gold money, and the paper money. So in the barter system we exchange good, and here we exchange gold with the goods, and here we exchange money with the goods. So barter system is evolved in ancient days, and here it's of the middle age, and here is the modern days. So here I conclude my explanation.
Up next we have our juniors over here. So I would like to give the mic to them and let them explain their topic.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Tarang of 11th standard, and now I would like to tell you about the meaning of production. Production is a process of making. Production is a process of making or manufacturing goods, which may be which we will get from the raw materials and other components also. And now I will like to proceed the demo about distribution.
My name is Aditi, and distribution means to spread a product through the marketplace so that such a large number of people can buy it.
Good afternoon. My name is Rimbika Tarangpi. I am from Science stream and class 11. So let us see our students from Science stream. What are they doing? Let's go. So here is the Science stream exhibition. So let's see. Here, the human of heart. This is the examples of, this is the heart, and this is the demo of the human heart. So let us ask about the human heart. What's your name?
My name is Sunita Ansipi, and I am from class 12 science. So basically, this is a human circulatory system. So we have made a 3D heart, and also we have made a heart to show the flowing of the blood in the heart. So basically we have made deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood is basically blood which have higher concentration of carbon dioxide, and we have oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood is basically blood which have higher concentration of oxygen. So the oxygenated blood flows from the upper part of the body. It can also flow from the lower part of the body. So the oxygenated blood flows from the upper part of the body, and then from the superior vena cava, and then through the right atrium, and then through the right ventricle, and to the pulmonary artery, and then it goes to the lungs, and it exchanges gases, and there it get oxidized. From that the red blood, which is the oxidized blood, will come, and it will go from the pulmonary veins. It will flow through the left atrium and then to the left ventricle, and after that it will flow to the other part of the body also. We have machines like sphygmomanometer and glucometer. Weighing machine. From the sphygmometer we can check our blood pressure, and then for the weighing machine we can check our weight. So if any one of the audience wants to check their pressure and the weight, they can come and check. That's all.
So thank you. Now let's go to the biogas. So can you explain about this? What is your name?
My name is Mirmilisan RP, and I am from HS first year. We are the science stream. She is Sajir and she is Samprika. Biogas is about fuel that it is a good sources of energy, and it can produce anaerobic consumption, and it can produce electricity, and it will not form any pollution. That's all.
So thank you so much. Now let's go to the sewage treatment plant. So can you explain about this and what is your name?
My name is Rumika Tagwipi. I am from class 12 science, and we have made a model on sewage water treatment. So basically sewage means municipal waste that we have collected from all the household and including the factories, and we have collected all the sewage in a filtration tank, and through the help of wire mesh we collected all the large floating debris that usually float in the water, and the water that usually pass in a settling tank is usually called primary effluent, and in the settling tank it used to be done the process of sedimentation, and in the sedimentation that means the soils and pebbles that will settle down, and the water that remains in a settling tank, it is usually called secondary effluent, and secondary effluent will go into the aeration tank, and aeration tank continuous supply of oxygen and growth of microbes usually held in there, and they usually consume all the organic matters that usually present in the water, and the secondary effluent will directly go into the another settling tank, and this aeration tank and the settling tank is usually called secondary treatment, and in the last settling tank it usually done that all the microbes used to settle down, and lastly the chloride disinfectant tanks, it usually does the work of reducing the foul smell that usually produce the sewage, and it can be released directly into the water bodies like rivers, water ponds, etc. So it can be released into the water. So.
Thank you very much. So now let's see about the biogas. So here, now let's see the smoke observer.
My name is Serdan Patorpi. Yes, smoke observation is the device that filter the air in the box. After that, to remove the fans and the air bones. Now I'm here to show the practical.
So let's see here. From here we will burn the. Here we will burn the. Whatever we burn, that smoke will be coming from here.
Observation is the device that filters in the airborne. To remove the fans and the airborne, practicals like produce soldering metals. They are using to remove a mechanical fans for extracting all the toxin fumes. After that, all the toxin fumes, all the toxin fumes are magazine like gas, bacteria, and the filter of carbon dioxide. In this explanation, we conclude our explanation.
Thank you very much. So now let's see from here. This is the river cleaning machine. So let us ask about this.
Hello, my name is Alfonsa Terangpi and we are from class 12 science, and today we made river cleaning machine. As you know, because of water pollution, the bacteria and all people are getting sick, so that's why we made this machine. Do you want to take a look to demonstrate?
Can you demonstrate us this?
Sure.
Here we go. Here is a science exhibition of art stream of geography subject. So let us see about what are they made. So here it is the solar energy of this. As we all know that everyone uses the solar energy to save the electricity. So let us know about what they are going to.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Elias Rongpi, and they are my members. So today I would like to show you my model. It is basics upon art saving. So basically, you can see there is a solar panel which goes directly connected with the power station, and then divided into sub-branch into all these lights, which is benefited for our today's world, as because we are using coal and which are burning a lot of excessive amount of energy, which is very difficult for today's life. So instead of using coal energy, we should use solar panels energy, which will help us in improving our electricity and each and everything. And secondly, we should use bicycles instead of cars, because in today's world we know that pollution has been a very great measure. So instead of using our private cars, we should use public bus stations, or we can use cycles, which will be a very helpful thing in our day-to-day life. And also we should plant more trees instead of deforestation, because we are lagging instead of oxygen. So we should plant more trees, and we should save our art as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now let us see here. It is about the solar eclipse. So it is about solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So let us know about this.
Good evening, Miss. My name is Nevar Sondera from class 11 arts, and these are my group member: Yerlong, Sonju, Mukrang, Rohit, and Sarnong A. So these are our model. The topic of our model is solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. As we know, here on Earth, we can experience two kinds of eclipse: solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So first, we'll talk about solar eclipse. Solar eclipse happen when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. This makes the moon fully or partially cover the sun. And solar eclipse solar eclipses happen only during the new moon. Every year there are about 2 solar eclipses, but sometimes there are even 5 solar eclipses. However, only 2 of these can be total eclipse. There are 4 different types of solar eclipse. First, we have total eclipse. Total eclipses happen when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth and block the direct ray of the sun. And second, we have annular eclipse. Annular eclipse is happen when the moon comes between the sun and the earth, but it looks like the moon is smaller. This make the sun appear a very bright rings or annulus.
Thank you very much, sir. Now let us see here the hydrogen cycle. As we all know, this is the water cycle, and let us ask about this.
First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Sumtararong Karbi, and of class 12. We have made a model of hydrological cycle, which is also known as water cycle, and these are the members of my groups. Now, this is a river, so and due to the heating of the sun or due to the heats of the sun, the gas or the river water dries up, and in the form of gas it rises up in the atmosphere, which is known as evaporation. And the gas rises up in the atmosphere, it cools down, and that's called condensation. And when it's cooled down, it's form a cloud. So after, due to the heavy of cloud,
Thank you very much. Now let us see about here. This is about the global warming. As we all know, global warming is nowadays very increasing in our day-to-day life. So let us ask about what are they.
First of all, let me introduce myself and my team members. My name is Sarpang Ritiso, and we are from our stream first year. And he is Asim, he is Munsin, and there is Kiri, and he is Longson Teron. And we have made this model to show in front today. First of all, let me explain what is global warming. Global warming is the increase in temperature from its average temperature, and it makes it difficult for the human organisms to live on Earth. And let me show you some of its causes. And global warming is caused due to deforestation, like cutting down of trees and excessive use of fossil fuel, overpopulation. And its effects are like melting of ice from the mountains, and in order to keep away from this problem, we should plant more trees. And
thank you very much, sir. Now let us see about here. It is rainwater harvesting. Mostly we see rainwater harvesting is used on the paddy fields for the farmers. So let us ask about this.
So this is our model, and our model name is rainwater harvesting. Today I'm going to demonstrate our rainwater harvesting. So this is the collection tank. When it rains, it will collect water here, and through this pipe the water will go to the filtration tank, and when it filtrates, it will transfer from the storage well. And then with this water we can use for watering gardens, for feeding livestock, for washing cars, for washing vegetables, for bathing, etc.
Thank you very much.
So right now, I would like to ask some questions to our dear Vice Principal about today's event. So dear Principal, can you please tell us about today's event?
Can I help? So today's event is called Kiri Activity Fair 2023. So the main aim and objective of this fair is to organize an exhibition event. So it primarily involves exhibits from all of the disciplines that we have here, that it's arts, commerce and science stream. And the main objective of this event is to bring about various talents and skills of students, because often in our traditional classes they don't usually get the chance to develop a proper understanding of a topic, as well as we lack the facility to get a hands-on knowledge of how the various kinds of principles and phenomenon that works in across various kinds of disciplines that we have. And moreover, this activity fair, it gives a chance to our students who often lacks confidence to get a platform wherein such experiences will give a lot of encouragement in their further course of studies. So that was pretty much it, and hopefully this event will be a success. We have the cooperation of the parents, the teachers, the non-teaching staff, as well as our guests who we have invited from the colleges here, Diphu government colleges, the universities, and many well-known figures in and around Diphu. They will be judging this event today, and based on the results, we're going to give away a token prizes to all the winners. So thank you. That was all.
Thank you, dear Vice Principal, for telling us about today's event. So right now, I would like to take you to exhibit number 17 from Science Group. We have a group leader here, Sir Clemson. So can you please come forward and tell us about your topic?
Okay, so my name is Sir Clemson Rongpi, and they are my team working on this model. So please introduce.
My name is Sarlong Timo.
My name is Sarchan Singh.
My name is Sandhya Kropi.
Okay, so you guys are from science stream, right? So can you give a brief explanations about your project?
Okay, so periscope, the name of our model is periscope. So basically it is mostly used in submarines. It is mostly used in submarines to see the object. It was it was from far distance, it can be seen. So for this experiment, for our project, we use two mirror and one PVC pipe, 2 elbow joints, and glue gun to make it place on this surface of this periscope.
So like this is the like exact same model like they used to use in submarines and all this, right? To check, yeah, right? Or is it or is it used in other stuff as well?
Yes, it is. It can be used it can be used for security, to make a defense from others. So it can be, and it works basically, it works in loss of reflection. Yes.
So thank you, science students. So right now we have our very important person here with us, Sir Sikari Tiso. So Sir, nangli pini ladak nang chitong don lapen ladak pini ladak singkiri event long ladak nang chitong don pini nangli kwan sining karong lapen kopi feedback nang di pikang tung mala hai tan.
Feedback belum te ladak ke ini ngerong pigelam lo, ini ngerong an parte kamatha bang se arsik pik nang ji pula solam bang se nili phulong bang nili choson lo the great cleaning kan pen surindra great cleaning kan pen pining an nili bang ke la so institute along komane usuna ke toy dun lok la pugali mati la so ke mi ke chok nai la so ka chari along se do mati di la so ka che thek long pen kunat ko pisi claim nang ma claim nang ne ma ra tum kon ning dog de ma rada pan ko anali doloma veloma hala so ke ss bang se inglim ti lo ni ke ningerong lo he ningerong lo cepaduk cete an so se mecha jila la pan ke ladak ni ke thek long bang ke hala a pia potum na chelang dun ami thang somar pan la so bang akenang so thi ulang non ko an ma ke dul an parta dona la ningerong pik lo la son school yang se ili tuma rong supir rong so long rong beti ta do pulon te ili tuma kai masuka charli amo pa prang opo personally mata lagi ke nang vek po non over kimia tum la bang lang pon nang po charli nang po klem
So enten nangli ladak nonson anangli pulo parents tum hedi thak tum ma kebang we son sabso do kok lasi alangli thon mane parents tum dak smartum alang smartum ke claim hedi dak ko ansi mane lang tum dak kebang important no labang thane ek chima
lagi important no athe bang phua pia puta asoga chupa the ke mon ni so an isi ke bang teng bang bang pun bang chak le dunai phanje pa the la pen ke la so teng si tangka mahata padam kente lahaya tangka maha lang long war plok koson ma mate aso phan la saya tangka maha padam pen pine ali ke dum ka bema laga chilang vek nang ipu pente cepaduk nak po laga cepaduk nak po lambang ke ili cuma ham phangam chong long man sia vedet nai la se cepaduk una la pia potum ke lang nai ke la dak lo athe ili tum bang ke munit phan se ar jap nai langdam lo nang pini ke akimia din akimia kai aprang ka ve son ta pini ke do awar sai ta dupik hala so awar sai ka chu en thek the budam lo nang mobile so mobile hormu ili tuma usomar ka duga ve riting along ta dam lo ke dam pen la phan ka pare sim thek the jok ili tuma ham phang non kunat ke dam ili tum chi thek long lo arta ka ve pen piso ke en arta ka ve pen penan ke do ha penan do lo ta bang long ke kadun episode lo ta bang pisulang fitar dragawan hala hai tum se non ke lam penak la hai ke por hi chi hung nang bang ga la bosi ke matha sungpe la so pa mi nang bolon te la son mesen school il tumolong donang po college il tumolong donang po la hai college la hai school pe nang te on somar se akang tu yang deng charli nang po charli se il tu ham phang phan charli nang po teng ri pen jong se memedat tu mo chelon nan ke me lo ke cheng jong se meme bolte ke juran ta meme lo mati la so bang hello
Cholo sir. So inki lalihan last question ason lo narji mane non hedi dak students tuman ke to antame dak student det kelo kaprek school ba student tuman ta nangli la tuman loga charli ahin pen ka chapatuk la ahin pen nak koli konsi nang ki koi to
koson buha
nangli like non son smart tuman edin nang la thon kaparung yan aning kaparung yan alam the koi
la ke la pulo alam ke bang lam je than non limit thang mat si chi hum lok po rong school pen wang se college na dun atomon ladak chilar phak binong hala dak le re lot puse dak nang le drop pulon te lai ke thek dun long pen ame thang ke dam nang jive ke to war chi pang bude che ko pulo ne perche la suka chini dun de son sinang doko la se la so hala tum ka fereju inferiority complex bor mu bang tepik osomar tum bang hala so bang ka complex bang pa vedaji bang ke api potum dak school along hostel along bisa along bidun kok api ke apa potum nang klam dun ver sek thelo lada ke thana tum se janang po thek ana tum ka api potum tu bang no pokalite la ka fere ju bor mu bang la so bang litu mo somar long thepik ka therak ju bor mu bang thepik la so bang pakka ge parman lada ke than bang tum un an bor inang po api potum ta la amasor zum ka bor i long la so chirap dunang po la pu pulon te la so somara ning ben jong si la ka phereju por mu inferiority complex por mu jong si avedat pulon te ilito mo somar pap thang pik ji la lo la so bang ilito hek jok thek pulon te me upo te rong pan bang somar sai de nonta la si la pin ye son son bang la tum phu pin lang science exhibition ko pima so na paklang ente ma lang tum ki thek or mu ko paklang ye mente adim ko daglo pini ben ge si chini pola tum la si morning pen ge me pon po answer me pon apo.
Thank you, sir. So we have here in our midst a very, very special person today here, or today, sir. So, sir, firstly, I would like to ask, how do you feel coming to these exhibitions?
Yeah, it has been a very nice experience and pleasure to be here in this exhibition, being among the students. I find them all very vibrant and very enthusiastic about this thing, and actually I've been invited to judge the physics models, those that the students have made already, and I find that some of the models that they have made are very encouraging and very reflective of their creativity, their understanding, like Tesla coil and other some environmental related projects, that how to purify the water bodies. Some girls, they have devised these things. So these are very effective projects, and I think this type of exposure will encourage them to take up their responsibility as a future citizen, responsible citizen ahead, okay, and to shape up themselves as a responsible citizen.
I just want to ask that, most of these students are getting very confused, as I got to know that you were an engineer before, and then but now you are into a business. So I would like to know that most of the students are very confused. Some of us have taken science, some of us with no idea at all, and they're just taking science, but some of them want to do the other thing. So what will you like to tell them?
Well, I think lately we have come to understand, means the general people as a whole, I'm saying, that the ability is not same for everyone. Okay, so everyone is gifted with different types of abilities. If someone has the good understanding of science and mathematics, then other may excel in, say, humanities, or other may excel in, say, commerce subjects. Okay, so one should be given enough independence to choose his or her subjects. Okay, and the academic, and the last word is, I would say that the academic success or good result is not the final things. Okay, one has to establish himself or herself as a good citizen. Okay, and he has to give his best, okay, for the society, for the surrounding, for his family, or to himself or herself as well. Okay, so those are most important, and our views of the society, that we see the success. We have actually made a scale of success, that if one earns, say, huge money or achieves many things, then only he is considered as a success. I think that has to be changed. Okay, so at the end of the day, our views should be that we live in a sustainable environment, sustainable society, progressive and inclusive growth. Those are the things, and I think the change is already coming in the rest of the world, and we are also influenced. We have also started thinking like that. So I'm very much hopeful that these things.
Thank you, sir. So I would like to ask, lastly, that how important, since our parents have sent us here to study in this prestigious institution, so how it is important for our parents to be present in such kind of event, and how importance our parents have to play in our academic role. So can you please tell us about that as well?
Yeah, definitely parent has a great role to discharge towards the education of their children. Okay, so they have to be supportive, and they have to be understanding as well, okay, the problems of their children. Okay, and they have to create such an environment for their children, so that the children are able to communicate about their hardship, their challenges, their difficulties, or their expectation. Okay, there should be a smooth communication between the two, and only when the parents create such an environment so that the children can communicate with them properly, then only they will be able to understand their children's difficulties or problem, and they will be able to take the solution. Okay, so that is very important, I think. And also definitely every mother mother or father expect their children to excel, okay, in the academic field, but at the same time they also have to be understanding about the limitation, okay, of their children, and so they shouldn't create very high pressure on them. That is very important to understand.
Thank you so much, sir. Before you go, I would like to ask this like one simple question. So, like, what do you want to tell to, or those who are like all the students out there, that what do you want to tell them, like to work hard and all this? So, can you please?
Yeah, you have to be directed, because as you are in the phase of learning education, okay, so you have to concentrate towards your studies, you have to be dedicated, you have to be perseverant, okay, but at the same time you also have to understand that you are the future responsible society of the place, of the country, of the world, okay, so you have to shape up by understanding the problems and challenges of today's, okay, so that you can solve those things tomorrow, okay, and not like that you have to become a very so-called successful person, but you have to become such a person that you don't create nothing, no disturbance is created, or no pollution, or no negative impact is created surrounding you, be it in your society, in your environment, whatever it is, okay, rather you can absorb that negative things and you can disturb your best for the society. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for telling us about the, to know our capacity, and to do well and to work hard as well. So thank you so much, sir. So we have our judge, our special guest, Miss Hempi Terangpi. She is the HOD of Botanical Department. So first of all, I would like to ask you, ma'am, that how do you feel coming to today's event here?
We are very much delighted to be a part of this exhibition, and first of all, I really want to congratulate Kiri College for organizing such kind of science and arts exhibitions, and I really believe that this kind of exhibition, it will encourage the students to be more creativity, and I think that it will increase their knowledge and quest for their knowledge also, and we are very happy to be a part of this, and I wish that each and every one of the students of Kiri College will have a great success in their life. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Since you came here as a judge, so how important is these days this type of exhibitions, this type of events are very important in in institutions like this.
Yes, this kind of event, that's why this kind of events is really important for these days, for such a competitive days. If practically, when the students learn practically, then only they learn faster. The more practicals they have, the faster they will learn. And we have seen that in science exhibitions, we have seen that students, they have shown certain circulatory system models. So even in their books also, theoretically also, they have studied about the circulatory systems and all. And so when they are doing it practically, it makes the things more clearer for them. And so it is very good that they have come up with this kind of exhibitions.
Okay, ma'am, last questions, any feedback or anything you want to say to students or this institution?
Okay, we would like to say that yes, this kind of exhibitions or this kind of program should be done more often, and I also encourage the other colleges to do this kind of exhibitions, so that definitely the students they will be benefited with this kind of exhibitions. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. That's it. We would like to thank everyone who have come here and have been being supportive so much, especially our judge here as well, and our sirs and our special guests. So thank you so much.